Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this easy lace braid high ponytail. This style is easy to do and pretty quick, so it's great for daily life and also for beginners. First you need the middle parting. After that I separate the parts for the first lace braids from both sides of the middle parting. Spray some water to your hair before starting the braiding. Then take the piece of hair from the front, 3 strands, and start to move them under each other and adding hair from the left side of the braid. So right under without adding, left under, add hair. Right under, 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 left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this pattern. Once you've finished this braid, create a similar braid to the another side, except this time add hair from the right side. Then I create the circular shapes to the sides. Then I take 3 small strands from back and start to braid like a Dutch braid, bringing them under the middle strand. This braid I add hair again from the left side. So left under, add hair, right under without adding, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this same pattern. Again, once you created the first one, create the similar braid also to the another side. Make sure that both braids reach back to the ponytail. Then just secure all together, and here we are. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!